Tello can land in the water. The current, guys, is moving. See? You have to force it. All right, guys, most likely when you do this, you want to go ahead and use a fresh water, all right? Or do not put any alcohol. You're gonna screw up the motherboard. And anyway, what I'm saying is also you have to take this shield off, because the reason why, because it's salt water. If it's fresh, if you drop in fresh water, you don't need to take the shield off. For this situation here, you have to take that shield right there, right? And you have to clean it with fresh water and just clean it up. If you have sand, go use the brush it off. You know, do not put any like soap or anything. Just put fresh water, dry it all up, and it's all set for you. And it's on. It's alive. You see that, guys? He's alive. So I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures, take video. All right, take pictures. Yeah, just put right here. Take pictures. And this is in the salt water, guys. It's working. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn on the craft. And it's on. All motors are running. There's no signal. Go ahead and turn it on again. And got it working. You didn't want to go in. Yep. So as soon as you flip this, the motor will shut off. Just to mess around. You guys know this thing in salt water, guys. Good. And I'm gonna go and turn it running. Let it cool off a little bit. Let the motor on. And now we're gonna go ahead and go. Nope, and it's working. Now we're gonna go ahead and see if we can even flip, just to make sure. All right, it does flip. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, get back. And then we're gonna go here. And it works. Wow. So it's windy. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. And it's working. Take a picture. We'll go up here. Got it.